Hello, welcome back to my channel. How are y'all today? I am doing just fine. How about yourself? So I know in the other video I said that I was going to be doing hand sanitizers, but no, not today. I will be doing some earrings that got put on my mind to do. So that's what I'm going to do. So stay tuned. So make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know when me, post another video. Oh yeah, don't forget to comment down below. So these is the earrings that I'm doing. These I'm making. I don't know however many I can get and tired of doing. I'll be doing these. So in this video, you will need the beads. These. You'll be needing this right here. The chain. You'll be needing the tools. You will be needing these little flower looking things. These right here. But I have the small ones, which is these. So let's get into this video. Oh yeah, and you will be needing these right here. This right here, the wiring to stick in the bead and in the spatial looking thing. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and take this right here, which is the wiring, and we're going to stick this spatial looking thing, and then we're going to do the bead, put the bead in there. I was doing them off of camera, but then I said, nah, I'm not gonna, I was like, nah, I'm not gonna sit here and keep doing off camera. I'm just showing y'all what I'm doing. I want y'all to see as well. Make sure that it's right. So this is one of them. I don't know if I can get it right in my hand. This is one of them. That'll push this down so it won't go in there. So this is one. Then I'm doing 4 of each. Well, 4 of them. And we go to the other one. And we're gonna go on this side and just clamp it on up. Make sure it's clamped good. Here go the other one. And we're gonna keep doing these until there's no more of this wiring. We're going to twirl it around, and we're going to do this side right here. That's the other one. And we're going to do one more, and then we're going to be done. God put this in my mind earlier when I was I was watching people's YouTube, and though I wasn't watching no jury, I was just watching people's life experiences and all that stuff. So this is what we have, and I'm thinking about making some bracelets. A bracelet to see how it come out with these earrings right here. Thinking about doing that, but I don't know yet. I don't know. Okay, so I did these off camera because yeah, why not? But what I'm going to do now is take this right here, the little jewelry thing that I did, and I'm going to put it, y'all can see, I'm putting it in here in the little hole. Like that. I'm going to take this right here and let you fall back off here. Close it up. Just like that. Oh yeah, we can't forget about these to go in your ear. They won't be earrings unless you have these in your ear. I mean, have these out. But yeah, when God says to do something and put something in your mind, you may as well just go ahead and get to it and do it. Because what are you waiting for? And then I'm sticking this in here just like that. Then I'm going to close it back up. Close it right back up to keep it to stay. And voila, you have an earring. So this is one of them. Then I'm going to do the other one like that. Open it up. Put this on there already. And then we're going to close it back up. Because there you go. Close it back up. Then we're going to take this right here. And we're going to open it back up to put this hook onto it. If I have enough if I'm done with this in time, then I might do one of my hand sanitizer bottles. I don't know yet. And then we're gonna close it on up. And we have an earring. So we have 2 earrings. We're gonna do the other ones like that too. Oh shoot. And we're gonna open this up and put this on back in there. And we have this again. So we got one more to do. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. We're gonna do another. I was thinking about doing bigger beads for this too, but I don't know yet. I really don't know yet. I'm gonna have to see. I'm gonna have to see if I want to do bigger beads and bigger flower things. And I have to say about that. Come on now. Play with me. I'll be stubborn. And other. So this is what we have right here. Let me turn this around. Because being stubborn. And I don't have time for that. Don't be stubborn on my watch, please, and thank you. But the earrings right here. So what I'll do is take these right here. Take two of them, which is black. I might do two white ones this time. And I'm gonna put them on here. Right. The heck. Don't get them twisted up now. They, like, really. This is what this is looking like on this one. Now what I'm about to do is cut out my thing right here. Wherever my scissors is at to cut them out. It's somewhere around. I just gotta find it. It was right in my face. If it would have been, it would have bit me all up. But I'm gonna cut this on up right here. And I'm gonna place it on my on the thing. I'm gonna place it on here. So you can see what I'm talking about. Wrong thing. I'll be back. Then I take it off and I place it on here. And you have it right here. So I have white and black. I think I have beige ones too. I got this from Amazon. Yeah, I got these too. I got these a long time ago. Why? Because I was doing jewelry then with my resin. I think I'm gonna start going back to doing resin. I don't know yet. It depends on how I feel. Because resin takes a long time. Takes a long time, and but yeah, it don't take a long time, but it takes like 24 hours, I think it said. And I do a lot of that. Gotta make sure my uh mic's still working. I'll put that right there. So you have that right there too. So you have white and you have black. So yeah. I don't know how long this video is going to be, but just know I got a video out for y'all showing y'all how I did my earrings that got put in my mind to do. But yeah. So this is the end of my video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know when the next time I post another video. See you in the next video. Bye.